So recently, among the Kenyan tweets or among the trending hashtags in our Twitter, we've had the Ringtone Apoko trending. And reason being, there has been a court proceedings involving the altercation that happened between him and Robert Alai. Now we've seen the previous video how the whole thing happened and how he reacted while at the scene of crime. Now I'd like you guys to see what he portrays in the court of law. Now, I want you guys to begin look at the facial expression that he does, the way he fakes the tears. You know, you just look at it keenly and tell me what you think about it, because I think he overdid it. Now, here's the clip.
Kutoka yote kioo inavunjika in pattern. So aligonga mara ya kwanza kioo ikakuwa pieces zilikuja ziliingia ndani, lakini kioo iko na layers.
There is him.
So ya pili akagonga nini kichwa ya rungu ikaingia ndani. Ya tatu wakati aligonga mahali alikuwa anagonga analenga vizuri, alinigonga hapa. So
Right.
na hakunigonga kama amenyamaza, yaona
Voices.
alinigonga akisema Ringtone nitakuua. Alinigonga hapa.
Okay.
Vitanda hivi hapo, hata sasa ukienda utazipata. So singetoka niende nitaenda kwa mtaro.
All dried up.
Now lazima tumefunga barabara yote. So mimi sikushuka kwa gari. Robert Alai alishuka kwa gari. Akakuja akafika kwa kio yangu. Nikaona Yohana, mimi ni mwanaume, nikapata courage. Peke yake ya kushukisha kioo. Si ya kushuka, nikashukisha nikateremsha kioo chini. Nikamwambia Alai, wewe ni public figure. Ni vitu gani hii unafanya?
Do you think Ringtone could have said that?
Robert Alai Yohana aliniambia, Ringtone wewe ni mjinga sana. Na hata muziki yako hapo mtu anasikiliza.
I bet probably Robert Alai could have reacted that. You know, these guys are more of arrogant. So
alishuka akaenda kwa Subaru yake, akafungua boot, akakuja na rungu. Mimi wakati niliona rungu yaona
a sign of an agitated dude. Robert Alai is probably, by that time he was really agitated by what happened between the two. Probably Ringtone had like brushed his car.
kwa sababu mtu anaweza badilisha akwambie sema hiyo. Yaona mimi hiyo inaifanana na rungu. Yaona wish to mark the weapon that was used as PMFI1.
Where the tears is faking. There you go. And now, okay, wipe your tears. Where are the tears? Okay, it's dried up. You see, my own verdict will be Robert Alai was on the wrong. Ringtone was probably that was like physical assault. Yes, so the right channel, or I know this is something we should not comment on because it's currently in our courts. So I don't have any evidence against that, any of them, in support for any of them. But at the same time, I think whatever happened was not right. Nobody has the right to exercise the law in their own way, in however way they wish to exercise it. So we wish Ringtone Apoko all the best in his quest for justice. And until next time, see you and thank you for having watched this. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Come on, okay.